the cha-cha-cha. Thank you so much, couples. So here's your next dance, the rumba.
Dito lang ako at aalala sa iyo. Nakikita ko ang tunay na ikaw. Nakikita ko ang tunay at ika'y natatangi. Huwag matatakot na ipakita ang iyong tunay na kulay. Ika'y ganda. Nakikita ko ang tunay na ikaw. Nakikita ko.
Thank you so much. So here's your third and final dance, the child.
She got a kitty red Cadillac, great big house on a great big hill. Big time needs, big time friends. She waved right off the stop a roll and get to the fast girl. She got a high tall way of getting real low down. But sometimes she screams, sometimes she don't like the sound. She got home run tomatoes, right on the vine. Then it takes your hand and drags you over the line. She's a fast girl. In the way she moves, she's on the one place. Body in motion, brain in the world. The bound and got it, she's a fast girl. She got big red lips, she's a real good form. Big pointed lips, still icon. Never automatic, she got manual drive. Know how to crash and let they come through the line fast, girl.
Thank you, couples. Now let's welcome couple number 1991.